Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech. In this video, I'm going to talk about the recently the Realme 6 phone has received the update, friends, and I'm gonna show you what are the features it got added and what are the bugs it got fixed. And before starting the video, friends, if you're watching first time this channel, subscribe to my channel, friends, and also do check the links in description for the Instagram page, so where you can follow my page and you can ask the queries, friends, regarding any smartphones. So definitely I'll be replying you in the Instagram. And let me show you the update, friends, what I got here. And also stay tuned by subscribing to my channel, friends, Sai Tech Guru, so you will not miss any other videos on the Realme 6. And pretty soon I'll be going to do a PUBG gameplay test as well, friends. So not only on the Realme 6, even on other smartphones, where I'll be doing the big PUBG gameplay comparison between three of these smartphones. So stay tuned, friends, by subscribing to my channel. And let me show you the settings and software update details in the Realme 6 device. So let me click learn more. And first you can see, friends, there is an Android update security patch, so which is normal in every update. And second, you can see, friends, in the system fixed the issue that the game space is not effective in some scenarios. So that is what I am talking about, friends. In few of the games, so when you swipe from either from left or right, the FPS meter which doesn't even display, friends, sometimes. So I have faced this kind of issues. So even when I am recording the video as well, I have showed, friends. So recently I uploaded a video comparison with the Realme 6 versus Realme X2 Pro in terms of 90Hz gameplay comparison. So in that video, friends, even I faced the same kind of problem while using the game space, that I'm unable to get a few of the times. So maybe that got fixed, and again I'll be updating, friends, after updating this mobile and after using for a couple of days. I'll give my thoughts about that. And updated the work charging animation. So recently, even in the Realme X2 Pro also, the charging animation got updated, so maybe they might have shifted to that kind of animation. And next, in the camera mode, so if you take a look at here, you got the ultra steady feature, friends. So let me open the camera right now. Let me open to the video, and you don't find any ultra steady mode, friends, as you can see on the top. So maybe with this update you might receive this kind of ultra steady mode, so that is another good advantage. Next is the optimized front camera resolution in some scenarios. So if you want to know the resolution of the front camera, friends, so let me open the gallery, so which I have taken recently, the front cam shots. So here are the few shots which I have taken, friends. So definitely I'll be comparing side by side the resolution of this image to the another image after the update. So again I'll be letting you know that whether there is any improvement in the resolution or improvement in any quality or not, because few of the users are giving a lot of complaints regarding the video quality of the Realme 6 is not that great in terms of giving the output. So definitely, friends, after this update I'll be trying all these kind of features and I'll be updating to you. So meanwhile, if you have any queries regarding the smartphone, you can message me in the Instagram, friends. So stay tuned by subscribing to my channel. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.